Introducing our 5 new Unity made-to-measure collections, curated for today's shift towards layered minimalism. Each collection aligns with contemporary trends, muted tones, natural influences, and understated textures, offering designers the tools to create elevated spaces for contemporary living. The Essen collection. This core collection brings together 9 carefully selected decors, chosen for performance, priced for value, and readily available for everyday design needs. Designed with durability in mind, our range of matte colours feature the ST9 super matte structure, offering strong resistance in high traffic areas such as kitchens and living spaces. At the same time, it maintains a smooth, velvety matte finish ideal for contemporary interiors. The colour palette ranges from crisp whites to warming neutrals to deep, sophisticated greys, creating a versatile base for modern spaces. Alongside these, the collection also includes key wood grain decors that support two-tone design, bringing together natural warmth and an organic touch to authentic-looking melamine reproductions. The Linear collection. This collection is a bold showcase of on-trend matte and gloss unicolours, combining contemporary style with premium performance features including advanced anti-fingerprint technology. Our playful range of matte finishes is available in the Perfect Sense structure, where state-of-the-art UV lacquering technology meets a carbon-negative particle core, delivering an accessible form of modern luxury. The palette includes trending shades such as caramel beige, dark berry, and carbon grey, alongside some of our most sought-after tones including taupe grey, reed green, and deep blue. For those who prefer a high shine finish, our gloss colours are available in the MG structure, offering a lustrous, durable surface on an MDF core that brings brightness and depth to any design. The Matara collection. This collection, as the name suggests, brings together our metallic effect decors, featuring beautifully crafted brush and anodized structures. It's a refined selection designed for those seeking a curated luxe industrial aesthetic, softened by subtle organic undertones. Finishes bring depth, texture, and a modern sophistication to any space. What makes this collection especially exciting is its versatility. It works seamlessly across a wide range of palettes, allowing designers to create bold contrasts and balanced compositions. One of our personal favourite combinations is the pairing of steel oxide with Gladstone oak and carbon grey, a perfect mix that balances industrial character with natural warmth. The Rocker collection. This collection brings together a tactile range of versatile stone effect decors, including on-trend concrete and cement-inspired finishes. Reflecting a growing movement in interior design, these surfaces respond to increasing appetite for natural, textured materials that bring depth and authenticity into modern spaces. Concrete and stone-inspired decors are especially popular for creating contemporary interiors that feel both architectural and grounded. Each decor in the collection is carefully selected to align with these evolving design trends, offering subtle texture and tonal variation that adds character while remaining highly versatile. Designed with flexibility in mind, these decors pair beautifully with finishes across our Linear, Matara, and Mura made-to-measure ranges, allowing designers to create cohesive, layered interiors with a refined and modern edge. The Nura collection. This collection showcases authentic wood effect decors available in a variety of grain structures and colours, including striking reeded and charred finishes. As interior design continues to embrace nature-inspired materials, these decors reflect the growing demand for textures that bring warmth, character, and authenticity to modern spaces. Wood effect surfaces remain a key trend, offering the perfect balance between contemporary style and organic appeal. Each decor has been carefully selected to align with these driving design trends, providing versatility for a wide range of interiors while maintaining the tactile quality of natural wood. Whether used alone or layered with complementary finishes, this collection allows designers to create interiors that feel sophisticated, grounded, and connected to nature.